Alright.
You notice the...
I see him. Yeah.
Yeah, it's weird.
So is that coming from the outside, or is that...
It's almost like it's just pushing it to the side.
I'll have you just kind of like push the auger, and I'll watch it from the front.
Okay.
So,
What do you think it is?
I think just these are flipped.
Flipped?
Just the blades, yeah.
You mean when you put it back on?
Yeah. So all I got to do is just split it and
Jesus.
slide those out. So since it's already been taken apart, I mean, you're not gonna be charged anything for this, but since it already was removed, it's gonna be a lot easier.
Okay.
So, because before, you know, I'm sitting wailing on the back side of it because it's so rusted together that it's like impossible. It takes like 8 hours to do. Let me just split it's only a couple bolts on the side. Here? Yeah, I'll just do it right here.
Oh, okay.
I got tools.
Okay. Chute was all plugged. I thought that's what was doing the,
okay.
You know.
Yeah.
But then this morning it was, well, you can see.
Yeah.
You know, I thought, what?
Well, what and probably what happened, I mean, there was a few late nights working on it.
Okay.
These are going to unbolt.
Yeah.
This whole thing comes out. They're going to slide off, and then I'm going to flip the blade around. That's my bad. It happens, but...
It's all right. It's probably you haven't done one of these bad boys.
The last time I did one was last year.
Okay.
I did one, but I always kind of like...
Well, yeah.
Try and steer away from it because there's so much labor involved with it. Yeah. Sorry about that. So the blade's on backwards, so you just gotta take it apart and flip it. Dog poop right here. All right.
Figuring it out?
Yep.
Was it a belt?
No, it was just the auger blades are on backwards.
Oh, for crying out loud.
It happens.
Thank you for coming.
Yeah, of course.
Just get this?
I've had it for a little bit.
I've seen them. Where'd you get it? At Menards?
But I got it at Lowe's.
Walmart, I think. I saw them too.
Yeah, they're pretty nice, actually. Well, it's all unbolted and it's loose.
Oh.
But you have to take these like set screws out in here.
Jeez,
just to get to it. They don't make it easy either.
Oh, I'm sure.
All right, awesome. We're fully detached. Whew. Engine spins this way. Okay. Try and get these in the most as possible. Up there.
Me looking at it, you'd think you'd be able to just take off the blades and put them around.
Some of them are like that.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Jesus.
Some are easy. Oh, nice. So the camera did die, and as you saw, I was bolting all the plastics and everything back up. It worked great. It worked fantastic. He was very thankful about it. And I even told him, like, I'm the first to admit that I'm wrong, and that's okay. Sometimes, you know, we're not perfect. I installed them upside down. There was a few late nights working on that thing, and I thought I did it right, but I didn't. But he insisted on giving me money. I told him no 4 times, and he just kept saying, no, you're taking it. And I said, no, I don't want it. No, you're taking it. No, I don't want it. So he's just very thankful that I came out and did that same day that he called. That's crazy. And I know a lot of people that would definitely charge him again for that. So it's the Motormedic way. Do what's right.